Hello guys, and today I will show you how to use a function named Audiogram on your AirPods Max. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. As a first step, we need to open Apple Health application and click Browse, Hearing, and Audiogram. As you can see, we have no data about any audiogram, so we would need to make one. We need to go a little bit lower, and right here you can see audiogram apps. You would need to use a site application to take a hearing test to make your audiogram. I will choose Mimi Hearing Test. We click on it and download. After we successfully downloaded our application, we need to open it and click Take a Hearing Test. As a first step, you need to connect your headphones to your phone and put them on. Now you need to find a quiet place, because if your environment is too loud, the results of the test can be wrong. We click Next. Set volume to 50%. Next. We need to select our headphones, Apple AirPods Max. And now you would need to pass a practice round to understand how the test works. After this, you will take a real test, and with these instructions, it will be really easy. After we successfully did our audiogram, as a next step, we need to connect it to the Apple Health by clicking on this button. Now, I will show you how to adjust the sound in your headphones based on your audiogram. So, we need to open the settings and find accessibility. We click on it, and we need to click AirPods. Choosing our device, audio accessibility settings, and headphone accommodations. We click on a custom audio setup. And now you can set up the sound in your headphones based on your audiogram. We click Continue, Use Audiogram. Let's connect our headphones and use audiogram. And now the sound in your headphones is balanced based on your audiogram. Also, if you are having problem with hearing on one exact ear, you can balance the sound between two headphones, so the balance will move to the right headphone or to the left. For that setting, we need to click back and find this line right here, and you can adjust it to the right side or to the left. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.